flowers left. Today is a super duper simple one. So we are on stamp number 27. I am going to add a new layer and use the navy-ish color. Make my size bigger here. And now I am going to grab a light teal color and flower stamp number 15. Nope, actually number 11. And again, I will add a new layer and stamp that down, and then use my arrow tool to reduce the size and adjust the angle a little. And that will become our flower center. I will add another new layer, grab my monoline brush and white, and with this at a fairly small size, I will do a dot kind of at the base of each petal, and then one right in the middle. And then because we're gonna be off the flower, we could go ahead and stay on the same layer and make our size a little bigger. And then I just did a dot between each exterior petal. One of the easiest flowers we've done so far. That is it. So then we can swipe right on each layer and group it so that all our stuff is on one layer. I'll tap to rename it flower 27. And now again, that makes it really easy to edit. Should I want to change my flowers colors to something else, I can just drag and drop and easily edit my flower and play with different colors.